Over 11 children have tragically died in Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan after consuming certain cough syrups, prompting the Union Health Ministry to issue a strict advisory advising against giving cough syrups to children under 2 years old and recommending caution for those under 5. While tests haven't found harmful chemicals like diethylene glycol in the medicines, investigations are ongoing. In response, Rajasthan has suspended its drug controller and banned some syrups from specific pharmaceutical companies. Tamil Nadu has banned the production and sale of cold reef, cough syrup, and Madhya Pradesh is closely monitoring over 1400 children following 9 deaths in Chindwara. Parents are urged to be cautious and always consult a doctor before giving any cough syrup to young children. Bureau Report, PPM Times.